prepare students for life after high school. And through our rigorous and relevant curriculum, we work daily to ensure that students are leaders not only in today's workforce, but also to become leaders in an ever-changing global economy. As a result, we've been able to provide students with immense opportunities that allow them to earn licenses and certifications within our 14 career pathways. Students have used these resources and experiences to become productive members of not just our local economy, but the nation as well. While the 2019-2020 school year presented many challenges for our students, they all rose to the occasion and excelled in many areas. Woodville Tompkins was also recognized as an AP honor school by the Georgia Department of Education, and students were recognized as being one of the top high schools in America. Additionally, Woodville Tompkins had a 100% graduation rate and a 5-star school climate. Seniors earned over $4 million in scholarships, which equates to about $25,000 per student. Additionally, our students earned 1,932 dual enrollment credits, equating to $351,000 in money saved. Our athletes continue to perform admirably in spite of this year's challenges. Volleyball finished in the top 5 in the final state rankings. Cross country competed in the regional tournament, and our boys and girls basketball teams rank in the top 10 of the state. Woodville Tompkins athletes also earned over $1 million in scholarships, and we're excited about our new gym project as we bring forth state-of-the-art facilities for our world-class athletes. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you not only this year, but for years to come.